Good day everybody. How is everyone doing today? That is lovely to hear. Today, we have more of a special event. Welcome to our assembly about the Department of Investigations. For this assembly, we will be covering the history of the Department of Investigations, the special ranks, as well as some events we have noticed throughout the existence of DOI. Have you all got that? Excellent. Feel free to take notes in this assembly, as these assemblies are designed to be educational and a source of information. If you have a question, please ask a chief on the red pads. This assembly should take up to 10 to 20 minutes. Finally, this week's assembly was written by DOI Head of Departments Adam Legend 687 and the Perfect Girl Kitty. Right then, introduction out of the way. Let's start, shall we? Let's begin with the history of the Department of Investigations. As time went by, the kingdom was being overrun with rule breakers, trollers and people with bad behavior. Of course, our illustrious queen noticed this. She had tasked NABS, another DOI HOD, with making DOI as a new department to catch, rehabilitate, and punish rule breakers. That is when NABS found someone to build DOI, which was me. I took the time out of my day to build all channels, write handbooks and update DOI on a daily basis. How amazing is that? Once DOI's construction was finished, the Queen had joined and added the two bots, Quacker and Frap. These lovely bots would then cover our verification and ticket systems. Nabs and I noticed this, and figured out a process of how people could join through a DOI ticket. They would start by doing ticket open vetting, which would then notify our inspector that they are applying. Once inspectors have access to the ticket, they would perform a significant background check on the player. If anything was found in their history, the player will be put on a blacklist from vetting, and would not be able to apply to DOI until their profile was cleared. After Inspector Plus had finished conducting the background check, they would be cleared to rank the user based on their KK rank into the corresponding DOI rank. What's your rank in DOI? Spectacular. Let's talk about the ranks of DOI. Each rank, going from low rank to high rank plus, has a rank assigned to them which will be granted to you. Operatives are low ranks, agents are mid ranks, special agents are upper ranks, and lastly, sleuths are high ranks plus. Wow. That was a mouthful. Be sure to note that down. These are the only ranks obtainable through DOI vetting. Inspector Plus is available by being chosen by a Chief Plus in monthly DOI promotions. Each rank has a set of different tasks they can do. Exciting, right? One of the main tasks they can do is file reports. Filing reports are basically logging rule breakers into a report channel. Did you know that DOI members were mad about their reports having no apparent use? Unfortunately, they did feel this way. Our lovely queen made us a new command in which Frapp would dig up all the reports on a certain user from each of the report channels. With the main tasks out of the way, DOI members had felt as though they had nothing much to do other than file reports. This is why DOI HODs came out with a new division, the so-called team drills. Team drills are a collective teamwork utilizing VC chat to do thorough checks of all KK servers. If you are active and dedicated member, you may be nominated for Team Shield Lead. Team Shield Leads can host and direct everyone within the castle and servers. It is also incredibly fun while patrolling. Unfortunately, the Resistance didn't seem to like our idea of keeping the castle secure. In the middle of January, the Department of Investigations was under a mass abuse attack, which led to the entire server getting trashed. Every channel, all reports, ranks, everything was gone. Fortunately, this was noticed quickly by our observant workers. The abuser had been identified in no time and punished accordingly. Fortunately, chief inspectors and HODs got to work quickly and repaired the server in under a week. Isn't that just lovely? With the help of everyone, over 1,000 DOI members' ranks were restored quickly. All channels were recreated and soon again used as usual. Did you know DOI consists of pure teamwork? Every rank depends on one another. This is how we quickly resolved the so-called DOI nuke. Of course, not only Chief Inspector Plus provided help during the nuke, our lovely DOI members, even average KK players started investigating. At the end, we compared all of our evidence and figured out the culprit. This shows that you all have the perfect ability to investigate. Without all of you, the abuser could have gone without any punishment. We want to thank you all sincerely for being part of our department. Thank you. I think you all deserve a round of applause for being such an observant and excellent audience. Round of applause for our lovely workers and high ranks. We have now reached the end of our assembly. I hope this gives you a better understanding of the Department of Investigations. Thank you for coming and listening to this assembly. I appreciate how well behaved and attentive everyone has been so far.